Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, which I have a lot of new subscribers, hi. My name is Nacine. I am 37 years old. I have 4 beautiful kids, a floofy, fluffy husky, 2 kitty kitties, and I'd love it if you gave me a clicky clicky. I had a phone call today at lunchtime, so I was unable to show you what I ate, but I can tell you. So what did I eat? I had 1 can, 5 ounces of drained tuna fish. I had a vanilla Too Good yogurt. I had 3 pieces of salami, 3 pieces of turkey, 3 pieces of ham, and 1 slice of provolone cheese. I think it was 2 carbs for the ham and the turkey together because it came in that sub pack. 1 carb for the 3 salami, and the Too Good yogurt was 3 carbs. Of course, this is all net, and no carbs for the tuna fish. And then I had a vanilla Premier Protein drink, which was also 3 carbs. So that was actually a really nice lunch. I'm trying to do more whole foods now. I know I could have done probably a lot better, but I made my lunch at like 11 o'clock at night. And I just wanted to make sure that I had something. I had chili in the refrigerator. I had another one of the meat skillets. But I'm trying to be able to count and control the portions a little bit better. And until I can completely portion out something, I'm gonna avoid it for a little bit right now because I need to get under control. I talked to some of my friends in the Keto and the Chaos group on Facebook. There's some amazing, knowledgeable people in there in Tammy's group, and they're so supportive. And they gave me some really good recommendations and some reasons why I could be starting to slip. You know, after going on 8 months, suddenly I'm struggling, and it was never like this for me before. And some people mentioned with the increased heat, am I keeping up on my electrolytes? Good question. I wasn't even thinking about it, but I started slipping on my Soleil water. I went from drinking 4 tablespoons a day to 2, if that. I need to keep up on that. That could be why I'm having late night cravings and sweets, because I need my sodium. When you're craving sweets, that's an indicator of your body being low on sodium. Another reason is I was so strict so long, and then I reached a certain goal, like, you know, I'm halfway there. I'm halfway to my goal. So I'm fighting with my brain now about, oh, it's okay, you're almost there, you can have this. And no, I can't have that. Not when I'm stalling. I can't have that kind of stuff. And like Joni Keto Diamond said in her video the other day, we need to quit lying to ourselves. I'm lying to myself. I keep telling myself, no, it's okay, you can have it. It's okay, one time going, whatever. And maybe that might be the case for a lot of people, but right now it's not the case for me because I am constantly repeating that cycle every day. So I need to reel it in, and I need to get a little stricter, and I need to eat the whole foods and stop making extravagant, crazy things. I need to stick to the meats and the salads, and just, I like that stuff anyways. I don't know why I'm trying to make it more complicated, more than what it is. It's so easy. Keto is easy. Simple keto. Just, it's this. It's my mind. I'm fighting my mind. And so that's what I'm doing. And I could have had cleaner ingredients today, but I'm not mad at them. I still have plenty of room to work with dinner, and I'm probably gonna have a cheeseburger of some sort and a salad. I'm just gonna keep it simple, guys. My meals may be pretty boring. There may not be any new recipes for a while, but that's all right, because I have to work on getting back on track. I used to weigh myself every day as well. Maybe I need to go back to that. Maybe I need to go back to that to see when I'm making a mistake and that number is going up. I mean, it's all things. Obviously something changed where I was consistently losing and then boom, hit a wall for a couple of months, switched over to the higher protein, lost a little bit, and then hit this, I don't want to say hit another wall of a stall, because it's only been a couple of weeks, and then of course I started messing up, and I had my birthday weekend, and then I just kept rolling. Like yesterday I went over by 7 carbs, and I don't do that. So another recommendation was to stay strict and have 1 or 2 days during the month where I allow higher fats, higher carbs, higher calories. And I'm gonna try that, I think. Not super high, but just higher. Maybe, we'll see. And maybe that will help eliminate the, well, it's just one, I don't know. My mind is fighting me. Oh, I've been through harder things in my life. In my freaking crazy life that I've had, I've been through harder things. And so I know that I can reel this in and I can do this. So that is what I wanted to share with you guys. That is my rant for the drive home. This is 2 ground beef patties. Ground beef? It's not ground up. This is 2 beef patties from Aldi with 1 slice of sharp cheddar cheese, sugar-free ketchup, mustard. There was 100 grams of zucchini that I cooked in some butter and seasoned with the fresh Jax Keto Chow house. Then I have a salad with a slice of pepper jack cheese ripped up, and then the Olive Garden ranch. So this is dinner tonight, guys. I'll show you my macros in a minute. Alright guys, today's sort of a short vlog, and it's because I kind of like missed out on that entire lunch. So I'm so sorry about that. Like I said, I was on the phone and I'm full, I'm not hungry. I'm trying to tell myself, hey, don't you dare get in that refrigerator. So my mind is going there. So I'm going to take my dog for a walk, and then I'm going to drink my Soleil water, and I'm going to have a good night, guys. I'm going to fold some clothes. I'm just going to keep my mind busy. Every time my mind says, hey, don't you want some pork rinds? Or hey, don't you want some strawberries? I'm going to say, F you, brain. I'm going to go do something in a house with boys. This is why I tell my kids, eat at the table. And I come in the kitchen and they're standing in the hallway next to the table. I'm in the kitchen. Put your chili on the table before you spill it. Turn around. He spilled the chili. Have a good night, guys.